Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. If today is your first time of stopping by, hello. Welcome. I welcome you well. Welcome. You are most welcome. Please, if you're seeing me for the first time, please don't fail to subscribe to this channel. Don't fail to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for a new video. Please, it's your girl Jenny. Welcome back to today's topic. In today's topic, we'll be talking about how to handle headache. About remedy for headache. We'll be using only one leaf. If you always experience headache, every time any little thing headache will come and it will disturb you. You drink paracetamol, no way. You drink medicine, no way. At times, it's a symptom of sickness. At times, it's stress. At times, many things can cause headache. But if you always find yourself in this situation, there's a remedy for you. Don't fear, but make sure you take care of yourself very well. Not every headache, you just go and carry leave and stop. It will stop you, but if you have not handled what is causing the headache will still be repeating. So if you stress up, you need to rest. You rest, then you use the leaf to calm down the headache, then you rest, so that the cause of the headache will be handled first. Then, if you have constant headache, check your typhoid, hepatitis, malaria. It can be a symptom of any of these sickness. At times, some people that have infection, they used to experience headache. Yes, it might be a symptom of infection. In some people, it's like that. So I'm begging you, if you find yourself in this situation of constant headache, everyday headache, every minute you get headache, any day that passes by you must have headache, it's not good. Yes, it's not good. So what you do for me is you look for this leaf that I'm going to show you guys here. Is everywhere. We all know it. It's within your reach. It's something that you can get. I'm giving you things that you will get. But if there is anything that I post here that you cannot get, that is not within your reach, contact me. I will send to you. Yes, I'm serious. If there is anything, contact me. I will send it to your location. We have parks everywhere. Where I am, I can send product to you anywhere. Call you where you go and pick your product. But all this one that I'm posting now, you can get the remedy within your environment, within where you are staying. In some people's compound is there, you beg them to go and collect it and do what you want to do. So when it is like that, my dear people, you go around, walk around and look for handful of defy pawpaw leaf. When headache defy all medication, yes. If headache defy all medication, you have taken this, you take this, it no work, you take this, didn't work, you take this, didn't work. It has defied all medication. Get a handful of pawpaw leaf. See, pawpaw leaf. Only pawpaw leaf. See, it's very powerful. Yes, in eliminating headache, strong headache, severe headache. Get it. If you get this pawpaw leaf like this, get it from the tree, fresh one. When you get it, when you get this one now, you collect only one finger. Collect one finger. One finger is like this. Oh, you guys are seeing me. This one is one finger, but it has plenty children. One finger. Remember, I collected two. This is for another purpose. This is for another purpose. I'll tell you how to prepare it. How to prepare. When you get a handful of pawpaw leaf, two separate pawpaw finger, this and this, you get it. Heat it up on fire. Carry it like this. You heat it up on fire. Gas, stove, anyone. It doesn't matter. You carry it. You heat it up on fire. So after heating it on fire, wrap it around your head like this. It will not stay on its own. When you heat it on fire, you use a tie. Use a tie or scarf. Tie it on your hair like this. Yes, like this. You leave it there. I hope you guys are getting me. Get pawpaw leaf. You collect one finger. You heat it on fire. As you heat it on fire, wrap it, that one leaf, around the person's head. If it is you, wrap it around your head. If it is another person, wrap it around the person's head and tie it up with cloth or hair tie. Anything you know you can use to tie it so that the thing will be placed there for some minutes. You tie it there, then leave it for some seconds. Leave it. This leaf should be put. You collect another leaf like this. Another leaf like this. Put it separate sheet on the ground. You bring it forward. Collect like this. See as it is like this. You put it on the ground like this. When you put it on the ground, let the person lie down on it. I hope you guys understand what I'm saying. It's very simple and powerful. Yes, just only pawpaw leaf. Get this pawpaw leaf, you heat it on fire, use a tie and wrap it on the person's head. If it is you, tie it on your head, put it on your forehead like this and use a tie to wrap it on your head. After wrapping it on your head, leave it for some seconds. Then you get this one that you did not heat on fire. Keep it on the floor and tell the person to lie down on it, on top of this one that you keep on the floor. Yes. When the person lie down on it, sleep on it. When the person wake up, headache will be a history. The headache will be a history if you do it exactly as I'm saying it now. Exactly as I told you guys here. Get pawpaw leaf. Hit one single leaf like this. I've show you guys the way. Hit it on fire. The color will change. You put it on your head. Use a tie to put it on your head like this. Tie it. When you tie it finish, you carry one of this one that you did not remove. You get it two like this. When you want to plug it, plug two. Plug two like this. When you plug the two, you heat it. Heat one, collect one, heat on fire. Put it on your head with a tie. Then you use one, put it on the floor. Tell the person to lie down on there. Put his head on this and sleep. By the time the person will wake up, that headache will be a history. Yes, he will even ask you what happened. The headache would, at times headache can be discomforting like this. It will make you be restless. You cannot, but when the thing disappears, you will not understand what happened before you slept. So that is how headache can be at times. So when you find yourself in such situation, use pawpaw leaf and handle the case immediately and come back and thank me later. Guys, I'm waiting for your comment on the comment section. Watch this video to the end so that you understand what I am saying, and do it and give me the report back. Tell me how it is, tell me what you think, tell me how you feel. My phone number is there, 081-390-89336. Again, 081-390-89336 or 081-791-53466 for anything, any spiritual work, any spiritual tips. Call on me. I will answer you. I will do it for you and send it to your location. Any treatment, I will do it, prepare it, and send it to your location. Guys, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell for a new video, and please leave your comment at the comment section. Try this remedy. My problem is not all about subscription or the bell, but use this remedy and tell me what happened. That is my own. Please, 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 I'm begging you guys. I'll be waiting for your comment. That is the end of today's video. See you in my next video. Thank you. God bless you. I love you, but God love you more. Bye.